Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Compaq series monitor, and now I can show you how to change the brightness on this monitor, on this display. So firstly, you need to click on the main menu button, then use OK button to choose the brightness. And great. Now use plus and minus buttons to reduce the screen brightness or to improve the screen brightness. Then click OK, save and return, click exit, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.